In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share an activity on the Strava application. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and download the Strava application if you don't have it already downloaded into your phone. Of course, if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you will actually have to go and once it's downloaded, of course, you will have to go and open the application. And if it's your first time, they will actually ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, make sure to go and log in into it. But if you don't have an account, make sure to go and click at sign up. Of course, they will provide you with 3 options to create your account. They will give you the Facebook option, Google option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you, and once you do that, you will find yourself here at the home option of the Strava application. Of course, which is going to be your home screen, your main screen. And here, as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to share an activity on this Strava application. Of course, you can share it on this Strava or even on other applications. So of course, if you want to share just on Strava, you can just click at this plus button, click at manual activity, choose a title for it. So this is an example, hello guys, I know, hello. So maybe your activity was a run. And of course, you have other stuff you can choose from here, like a lot of stuff, and you can actually choose how much hours for that run, how much miles, or even kilometers if you want. And normally when you finish other stuff, if you want, you can add some details if you want. If when you finish, hit the save button, and that's how you actually share it with other people on Strava. Of course, if you want to share it outside of Strava, you can click at this share button. And normally I have just the Strava application downloaded, that's why I have just Strava here. But of course, if you have like other social media downloaded, you will have them here. You can just click on them and they will create a post on the social media that you actually choose, like this one, and you can just publish it whenever you want, and that's how you share it to other socials. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.